Hi friends, my name is Achyut and I am from Vizag. So today in this class, we will discuss how to use map function and the spread operator in React Native, right? So in the previous class, we had discussed about the event handling and event listener drops in React Native, right? So in this class, we will discuss map function and the spread operator, right? So let's not waste the time. Let's get into the class, right? So as you see, we have created the text box and the button, right? So whenever we add course goal and we click on this button, then that course goal should be added in this list of goals, right? So this list of goals should be stored in the array, right? This list of goals should be added in the array. So for that, I have taken the use state, right? See here, I'm taking the use state and inside I'm taking the empty array, right? So inside it there is nothing else. So inside the array there is nothing, right? So I have taken the name course goals and the set course goals, right? So after that, so see here, for the function add goal handler, we are just consoling it, right? We are just consoling it. So whenever we type something here, we are just consoling it. See here. So we are just consoling it, right? You can see AASAD, right? We are just consoling, right? So instead of consoling, I will just call this set course goals, right? Instead of consoling, I will just call the set course goals, right? So I'll call set course goals, right? Right? So this is the method, right? So after the calling these set course goals, we have to update the goals, right? We have to update the goals. So for that, we have to take an array, right? We have to take an array, and after that, we have to take a spread operator, right? See here. So after calling the spread operator, we have to write course goals here, right? And after that, I will take entered goal text, right? So see here. So whatever we are entering here, that should be added in this, right? Added in this, right? So for this dot course goals, it is a spread operator, right? So it stores the existing goal, right? It stores the existing course goals, right? This spread operator will help you in the store the existing course goals, store the existing course goals, right? So after that, we have to append the new course goals, right? That should be present in this entered goal text, right? So in this way, we can update the course goals, right? So whenever we enter the new course goal, that will be stored in this course goals, right? By using this spread operator, right? We can update the course goals, right? I hope you understand, right? But we should not do it like this. But we should not do it like this. So instead of using course goals here, so I will just pass current course goals. So it is an array function. It is an array function, right? I'm taking an array function, right? So see here, I'm taking an array function, right? So instead of course goals, I will copy this thing and I will use this here, right? Right? So we are updating, right? So this current course goals is right. Sorry, this course goals is depending upon this entered goal text, right? So whatever we are entering, that should be added in this course goals. So whatever we are entering, that should be added in this course goals by using this spread operator, right? So instead of using this course goals, we can use this parameter called current course goals. We can use current course goals, right? Why? Because the React will automatically give the current state of course goals to this arrow function, right? This arguments will get this argument, so this parameter will get the current state of course goals to this parameter, right? So that's why I'm using this current course goals, right, instead of using this, right? So this is the better way of updating the state, right? So this parameter is working like it worked as the snapshot, right? So whatever goals which we have entered, right, those all list of goals will be snapshotted here. This parameter will be responsible for the snapshot, right? So after that we will enter the new goal, right? So we got the list of goals of snapshot, right? So after that we will enter the new goal, right? So that should be appended to this current course goals by using this spread operator, right? So this spread operator will align the list of goals one by one, right? I hope you understand, right? So in this way we can use the spread operator, right? So after that, so we have updated the course goals, right? So after that we have to display it. We have to display in this place, right? In this place. So I will just remove this thing, right? So here I will open the flower brackets, right? So I will write course goals, right? And I will write dot map, right? So here I will take a reference variable called goal, right? And I will take an arrow function here, right? So here I will write the text component, and I will display the goal, right? So this is the course goals, right? So whatever we are updating, this current course goals, right? So this will get affected to this course goals also, right? I hope you understand. So instead of course goals, we are using this current course goals, right? This parameter. So instead of course goals, we are using this current course goals as a parameter. Why? Because React will give the current state of this course goals to this parameter, right? So in this course goals, so all the list of goals will be added. All the list of goals will be added in this course goals, right? So that's why I'm doing mapping here. So for that we have to open this flower brackets. So you have to do it on mapping, like course goals dot map. You have to write course goals dot map, and you have to open the function. So inside it you have to take a reference variable, right? To reference variable. Why? Because you have to traverse on that list, right? The list of goals, right? To traverse on that list of loop, right? The list of goals. For that you have to need a reference variable called goal, right? So see here, we got the reference variable and we are traversing it. We are traversing on the list of goals. So see here, when I type something here, for example, if I type Achyut here and click on add goal, so see here it is adding, but we are getting some warning here. So each cell in a list should have unique key prop, right? So it is saying each list of goals should be unique. It should be unique. So for that I have to take a key here. So inside it, just click on key here, and inside it I will choose goal as the unique prop. Goal as the unique prop. Right? So what the error is? So for example, if I type something Achyut here, right? So it should not be like whatever you're typing in this text box, it should be unique. It should not be duplicate. It should not be duplicate, right? So for that, I'm telling to this text box. So add key as a prop to this text box, right? So based upon the goal, it should be unique. It should be unique. For example, so here I will write Santosh, right? And click on add goal. See, we are getting any error or warning? No, right? Why? Because I have added the key. So this key will give you the unique prop, right? For example, if I type Achyut again, it will give error. Why? Because we have repeated the Achyut, right? This key should be unique. This key should be unique, right? But for now, I'm just using this goal, right? So in the future class, we will do like we will get the best unique key, right? But for this class, I'm using this goal, right? So we just not having that error, right? See, for example, if I add any, for example, Ganesh, right? And click on add goal. So it is adding, right? So this key is a unique value. This key is a unique value. So each time I'm taking the different value, right? So that value, I'm like that value it is taking, this key prop is taking that value, right? And based upon that, it is checking it is unique or not. So see here. So it will check all the values and the Ganesh is the unique, right? So it should not give any warning, right? I hope you understand, right? So in this way, we can add the list of goals, right? So, for example, Python, right? So add goal Python, right? After that, Java, add goal. So in this way, we can add the list of course goals, right? I hope you understand how to use the map function and the spread operator, right? And I hope you understand all the class. And if you have any doubts in this class, just please comment in the chat. I will definitely help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, then please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please do subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.